Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I will show you how we can change the video quality of the screen recorder. So it's very simple. We have to go for the settings. Next we have to find additional settings. Go for the screen recording. And as you can see, we got the display section where we can find the video resolution. So let's tap on it. And here we can simply change it. For example, we can pick the medium settings or the high, but you can also customize by going to the custom option, and you can change the resolution and the bitrate manually. So after that you can simply go back, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.